Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to disable CDN on your Hostinger website. So this can be useful if you just no longer want to use this feature, or if maybe you're troubleshooting something on the website. Well, it's really easy to do. I'll show you how. So to start with, you need to log into your Hostinger account. Then on the left-hand side, we're going to click onto websites, all websites. Then you want to locate the website that you want to disable the CDN on, and then click on the right-hand side on the dashboard tab. So I'm going to click on there. And then I'm going to go over onto the left-hand panel, and you should see a tab that says Performance. So I'm going to click on that and then scroll down to where it says CDN. Clicking on that, and this is where you have the option to disable the CDN if you have it activated. So all I need to do is click on disable and the CDN will be deactivated. So that's it. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.